Here's how it's actually made. This viral effect has been everywhere lately, and it's called the parallax effect. The best part, you can learn how to create it in just 1 minute. All you need is a single image to turn it into a stunning visual like this. Let's recreate it. First, import your image into Photoshop. Then, use the brush tool to draw the camera path. This path will control how the camera moves through the scene. Once that's done, export the image and open a platform that supports Seedance, such as Higgsfield AI or any similar tool. Upload your image. Copy and paste the master prompt I've added in the description. And click Generate. The AI will follow your camera path and automatically create realistic 3D depth and motion from a single image. And that's it, your effect is ready. If you want to learn how to create more viral effects like this, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video.